What's up guys, I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be adding some new stuff to the slime. I made this solution and I wanna add it to my slime. But today we're gonna be adding some stuff, well, this is kinda like, it's only gonna be like a minute or probably about a few seconds. But after I'm done trying to mix in a few things inside the slime, I'm actually gonna try something new. I'm not gonna be doing the whole video filming slime, so I'm gonna do something else. So let's get started so I can get started with the other stuff that's about to happen today. So I'm gonna add the mixture, I'm gonna add it. You see my slime right here. Slime right here. Oopsie. It's very thick because I added a lot of. Then I'm gonna add some. Got my little spoon right here. You know what? I'm just gonna go with full hands. Trying to make this slime better. And after I'm gonna add some Tide. Okay. Ooh, got everywhere. Okay, done mixing. This is slime. Let me see about clicking. And I'm thinking about putting either this charm or this charm. They're both unicorn. I think I'm gonna pick this one because it goes best with the color. So go, and we have this sparkly slime with a charm inside. Guys, it may look sticky. Yeah, sorry. It may look sticky, but it's not sticky. It just like very stretchy. So I'm gonna do a slime swirl. I'm gonna take the swirl out. It goes. Look, oh dang it, I forgot to show you guys the slime swirl. But it do got very pokey. It's very pokey and it stretches a lot, and it could do a slime swirl. Okay, so now guys, as I told you, I will be reacting to a video basically. So let me get them. Look at y'all. I'm about to be reacting to to do this, but I'm actually going to be reacting to the what's it called? Forgot. I'm gonna be reacting to Poke. Oop, no. Secret tunnel we found. Okay, so we're gonna be reacting to this video right here. This one. It says we found blue gas secret tunnel Roblox. Okay, let's get started.
Alright guys, in Hyper's last Roblox video, me and him stumbled upon this blue guest house and he told us to go into this forest while me and Dylan found a secret tunnel. It was very, very creepy. A lot of crazy stuff happened and you guys will not believe the ending, so make sure to watch this till the end and leave a like. Dylan, I'm finally filming, bro. We're all ready.
Okay, guys. Guys, if you hear me talking, I would like say stuff that will like tell you guys if I'm like frightened or something.
Oh my goodness. Alright, okay. Literally, this is insane. Alright, I'm gonna go check over here. Here, come over with me just for a second. There's a tiki torch over here, bro. Yeah, what the heck? Can you see it? Okay. Bro. Okay. What the heck? What does this symbolize? I'm trying to think about it. Okay, let me look over here. I'm trying to like first person right now and like see if I can find any like messages or something, bro. I'm checking on the other side of like the fence, right? And I'm not noticing anything right now. Really? Okay. I'm gonna climb a tree. Wait, no. I wanna go on top too. Okay. Oh! I'm on the tree, bro, and see if we can find it. Yeah, no. This is a good way to see everything, bro. I'd like see it kind of. The thing is, like, when we're in the forest, okay, well, it's still pretty dark, you know? Dill, I found something. What did you find? I found like a little like hatch, bro. Yo, wait, what? It like goes into the ground. I cannot see the bottom of that. I literally cannot see what's at the bottom. I still. That's it. Oh my God.
Sorry guys if you saw my battery dying.
I think you should go in first right now. Just jump in.
I'm actually going to finish this video. I'm going to show you. I'm going to make another video today to showing the rest of the video. So guys, see you. Peace. Stay tuned for the next video.